Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to print double side. So we have this example document, and if you want to print double side, you can go to file menu, click on print. Now in it I will use the default my printer, and then if you want to print a double side, you can change in page in it, print one side, you can click and then you can choose manually print on both sides. So this option based on your printer. So in this printer only have this option, manual print both sides, and you can click to print the documents manual double side. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to print double side. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.